Most language apps begin with a generic course. Ivrit Sheli begins with the Hebrew a learner actually needs in daily life, at work, and across Israel. The warm illustrated journey is designed for people who may be new to both Hebrew and technology. The interface works in English, Spanish, and Hebrew, with native right-to-left behavior and a clear English entry for this demonstration. The learner chooses a starting level, daily pace, and practical goal, such as speaking confidence, transport, work, or healthcare. These choices become learner profile data that shapes the experience instead of disappearing after onboarding. Reading support is configurable from the first minute. Learners can reveal vowel points, use transliteration, hear Hebrew pronunciation, and select a masculine style or feminine style synthetic voice profile. The first lesson teaches 5 useful words with original visual cues, sound, translations, and everyday examples. Version 2.4 also adds a 4-stop guided tour, making the important tools easy to discover without technical knowledge. A correct answer reveals how a word is actually used. In a private account, lesson checkpoints and completed words persist, while the public read-only demo safely previews the same journey without changing shared sample data. Every Hebrew token can open the connected dictionary. Entries combine Niqqud, transliteration, English and Spanish meanings, grammar, related forms, examples, learning status, pronunciation controls, and transparent source labels. The learned word registry turns practice into a visible personal record. Learners can return to familiar vocabulary, inspect its details, and continue from the progress saved for their own account. In the audio studio, a learner can listen, record, or enter a transcript. Browser speech features are detected before use, and the interface clearly explains when a microphone, speech service, or optional cloud provider is unavailable. The word intelligence flow analyzes one Hebrew word and connects it to translations, grammar, forms, common uses, and examples. Local dictionary facts work without a paid service. Optional cloud transcription and enrichment require configuration and consent. The dashboard turns progress into one approachable next step. Recommendations combine review urgency, demonstrated weakness, real-life relevance, goals, and freshness, so the learner can understand why each phrase appears. I used Codex with GPT-5.6 as an engineering partner to build, review, and harden the contest edition. Version 2.4 passes 213 unique automated tests locally, including PostgreSQL account isolation and a production container smokegate. External sign-in and deployment are verified separately rather than hidden behind that test count. For public use, Google Sign-In opens an account-isolated PostgreSQL learning space. Ivrit Sheli turns the Hebrew people meet in real life into a private, visual, adaptive journey. This is version 2.4, created by Cusnir.